Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter. Tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With this being said and out the way, let's get started. We got Vampire Cake, okay? Let's check this out. Let's dig deep. We're almost like the first to get our hands on this. So if you're tapped in on my money bag alerts, or if you got in the course, you already know that these type of things hit our group way before. We got a private Discord group, the money bag alerts, and those who sign up for the money bag alerts, they get the course half off, so you can do your TA. When I'm not dropping a video, you can see any chart and learn it on your own. But let's get started. We got every 60 the vampire bites human beings and get every 60 minutes, basically, the vampire bites human beings and get you rewards 9% in cake. That's a high percentage. I got to give them credit on that. That's probably one of the highest ones I've seen in cake. And you guys know I'm big on these that reward you in cake. BNB, cake is a real, you're being rewarded like in BNB, Bitcoin. That's not going nowhere. That's pancake swap. So getting cake is getting legit money. That's real cake right there. So we got their Telegram, how to buy now. Check out the rewards in our dashboard. So they got a dashboard already. That's very nice. A lot of teams, they don't get the dashboard right away. We're going to go through the whole page first, and then we'll check out the dashboard at the end and check out these Vampirenomics and see what we got. We got 9% cake rewards. 9% of every buy and sell is taken and redistributed to all Vampire holders. Hold VCake tokens, earn cake, automatically distributed every 60 minutes. The marketing is a 3%. We set up a marketing wallet, 3% of the supply, to ensure our capability in supporting the team and marketing expenses in upcoming months. This is very important. If you guys let the fizzle go away, and also the community being behind where they think this marketing should go is very important. You got to get the community behind this, and with good marketing, you could do that. We got the LP is 3% of every transaction is transformed into the LP for pancake swap. It's automatic and helps create a price floor stability. Okay, about us, our story. Let's see what we got right here. We got Vampire Cake is born with one main goal, passive income. What better way is there to make money than just sitting on the couch and sipping on some wine while your investment grows? Here's Vampire Cake. To make your life easier, we have been in crypto industry for over 5 years and want to finally bring our knowledge to DeFi in order to become a worldwide token. Okay, so let's see what else we got right here. This is our vision. Okay, we only have a straight vision and aim, success, which is very important. Vampire Cake comes to the DeFi world to succeed in order to make the gaming industry in DeFi grow worldwide and help supporters to have passive income for life. This is very important. You guys can literally have, I got a lot of means of passive income. You guys got to diversify your portfolio or whatnot. So like that, you guys can be getting passive income that you guys can use for your transaction fees or whatnot like that, you know. So we got the technology behind Vampire Cake is designed to be secure. As mentioned above, our token distribution is one of the healthiest ones currently available, with no whales controlling outlandish amounts of the circulating supply. In addition, the Vampire Cake smart contract has implemented two important security features aimed at making the token fully autonomous and immune to malicious manipulation. Fraudulent blockchain-based schemes running on the BSC are rife, and we take steps to ensure that Vampire Cake is far from the space as possible. Yeah, and these tokens that really set themselves apart from all the rug pulls and all the honeypots, they don't know. It might be hard for them in the beginning, but they're setting themselves up to win in the long term down the road. All that stuff is going to come to a halt, you know, and that's what's coming out of all this, you know, all these honeypots and rug pulls or whatnot like that. It's bringing out real tokens like this one, making people come together, you know, a band of brothers or a band of sisters or both, where people are coming together and trying to make something that works for everybody and people can earn a passive income. Plus, this is the perfect time to come out with a Vampire Cake token, considering the Halloween and whatnot like this. This is the contract address. It also will be found in the description down below. Make sure you guys only use this if you guys are interested in purchasing Vampire Cake. So right now we got find us on BSC, PoolCoin, and Pancake Swap. Let's check out the roadmap. We got website and dashboard, 3,000 Telegram members, fair launch and liquidity locked, CoinGecko and CMC listing, 5,000 holders. Swap, buy, on our website. That's huge right there. That's very important. They can get that done and is working. That will make a lot of people come to VampireCake for sure. Tech rate audit, VampireCake staking, NFT platform integration. You guys already know. I see a lot of things I like on this right now. I just took a peek to the third. But if you guys want to be relative in 2022, make sure you start collecting your NFTs. I got a nice little bag of NFTs and I'm collecting. I'm diamond handling all of them. And even one of these, I might get tapped in with the team and see how I can get one of these NFT vampire cakes, because they're going to be huge for 2022. That's how you're going to be really relative in 2022. And this is one thing that I love to see. One thing I like to see is for sure NFT, because I know that you're serious and that you're thinking about lasting into the year 2022 and you're not just doing some kind of run for right now. Another thing that I like to see is Vampire Cake Festival, right? Listing on CEX, right? Right here. VB, the BTOC ads in Chinese market. If you get in before this happens, you're going to see some green. I've been noticing whenever you can get into one of these projects early enough, because you guys know I always say talk is cheap. Mean what you say what you mean. You know, you want to pay attention to the roadmap and make sure that they fulfill enough of these where you can feel secure enough, okay? I'm letting you guys know into like how I'm thinking when I'm seeing this. Enough to say like, okay, they're serious about what's going on. They promise these things, this, that, and the other. It'd be nice to have some dates, but we'll see what's going on. And once I see some of these completed where I feel good, and I'm like, okay, maybe I might need some of these done too. And then once I know that, when you got NFT later on and you got that BTOC ads for the Chinese market, that's something that I want to get in before that happens, because it will make the price go crazy. I've already been noticing this. I'm pattern driven. I pay attention to every patterns and everything going on, not just charts, but everyday life. And this is a pattern that's happening. The BTOC ads and the NFT platform solidifies you for 2022, and those BTOC ads literally drive the price straight to the moon, drive it straight up. So let's check out this. I seen up here. Let's see what's good with this dashboard. At least click on it, see how far along it's come. So Vampire Cake, every 60 minutes, the vampire bites a human being, and you get rewarded 9% of cake, which I said is a good amount in cake. We got Vampire Cake is born with one main goal: passive income. What better way is to make cake while you're sitting on the couch and sipping on some wine? So we've seen that on the other side. While your investment grows or whatnot, this is, you connect right here and you can see what you got going on. I'm not sure, maybe this is just how it's gonna look or whatnot. So definitely come over here, join the Telegram. I'm gonna be inside the Telegram after I drop this video, man. If you guys are rocking with me, you got that bell notification lit up, please get tapped in with me, and then I'm going to be in that Telegram. So if you guys are there, you guys are going to get to talk to me live right there. I want to see you guys doing your due diligence. Just because I dropped the video, I want you guys also doing your due diligence to see that you guys are learning something from these videos, and ask some questions. Talk to the team. They should be very vocal. That's the type of community you would like to join, Also, make sure you guys get tapped in with my money bag alerts. If that's something that you're interested in, those who get tapped in there, they get a 50% discount on my course. And I'm telling you, it's going to be fire. It is fire. Those who got it already know what's up. It's the TA, and there's a lot more things that I go into depth with the TA. Also, pay attention to the videos coming up. I'm about to be adding a couple things that I've been wanting to add, but I didn't want to overwhelm everybody with the chart analysis and put too many indicators. But I decided today I was going to be rolling out another little step that I do. So you guys definitely want to stay tuned for that. It's definitely a gem to know this. And you guys know what's coming, man. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, later.